Hi everyone, this is Ms. Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. Today I'm going to draw a local area network or LAN on Paint 3D. What is LAN? LAN is basically a network that is designed for a specific building. Let's suppose for a school, for an educational institute, for an office, like this. So these are basically small networks that connects all of the devices in a particular building. So let's start the project. To make local area networks, first I'm going to use the text option. Then go to your right hand side, select this T, and then write down at the top local area network. In order to write, I will change the text size to 24 and then write down the spelling for local area network. Now, for the local area network, the most important thing is the server or the central computer that actually stores all of the information or the files of the other devices that are being connected to the network. So what we can do, we can go to the 3D library and we can find out a computer that can become a server. It can be any desktop computer, any CPU, or any device that can hold the data. So right now I'm choosing a desktop computer as my server and I'm going to name it as server. S-E-R-V-E-R. So that's my server, or we say that's the central computer that is the main part in LAN. Now, next, let's move forward. This server is being connected to all of the devices in the local area network. Let's go to 2D shapes and use the straight line and make some lines from the server. Once you are done, you just stick it. We can just tick on this right symbol, go here, then make another line, tick it. Then I'm going to make some more lines on the other side. Done. These lines are made in order to connect the server to the digital devices. One more line. Let's suppose my local area network is being connected to 6 computers in a building. So we can go to 3D library and search for the digital devices that are being connected to this server. Okay, we can have some laptops. This is a laptop. We can put it on one side. Next, once you are done, go to 3D library again, search for a tablet. Maybe someone in the local area network uses the tablet to connect to this network. So these are actually the different people that are connected and accessing the files in this network. Now let's go forward. We can have a printer as well in a local area network so that every device that is being connected to LAN can print using the single printer. So this is actually the saving of resources. We save the resources like that and we utilize the resource that we have and we save money by using one printer in the local area network by all of the different digital devices. So let's add phone. Let's suppose someone is connected with LAN through the smartphone. So we can add a smartphone. We can add some more devices, more laptops, because since it's a building, so there can be different employees or there can be different workers that are connected to the LAN in the same building. So we can just do that. And I need one more device. Let's add another laptop. So this is how a local area networks look like. In the local area network, the most important thing is your server. The server stores all of the information that is being created by any of these devices. When the device stores the information or the data or the file in the server, anyone else can access it. For example, if this laptop makes a file and stores it in the server, then this phone, this laptop, or any other device can easily access that because they are all in a local area network. But for example, there is some laptop in the other building, then it cannot access those files and information that are in this local area network. Why? Because that are not connected with this network. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everything is clear to you. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.